brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. The thing that makes me put the guys go crazy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyTube. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Better. Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyTube. Don't mind my hair. I literally just dyed it last night. I didn't make a video, but we're gonna talk about that in a second. So for those that are new here, hey, hi, how y'all doing? Welcome to FlyTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the gang, cause we here to chat and be funny all day. But I am dyeing my hair. It's like a baby pink color, but it has like an undertone of like the color 27. My people that do hair will understand. And I am about to try these Bantu knots. I seen this video on Instagram. I'll probably put the video right here. And I'm like, I want to do that. So I literally dyed my hair last night. I bleached it twice. I toned it. I added some baby pink. Was it baby pink? Or like, it was like rose gold hair dye. If you follow me on TikTok, it's a TikTok up there, y'all. Go look at it. But I am actually about to start the process of, I just washed my conditioner out. I just added some BioSilk to my hair. Let's see if y'all gonna get that. And then I added this Frizz Buster serum, because I am doing really big Bantu knots. And then let me flip the camera and show you the type of braiding hair I got. Okay, so I got color 27, I got color 613, and then I have hot pink. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these three colors together to get my actual hair color. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at YoungBmo. Follow my hair page or book an appointment with your girl at Natural and Fly. And let's get into this video. I hope it's not a disaster. All right, y'all. So my hair is damp right now, so I'm just sectioning it off so I can start blow drying. Normally when I blow dry my hair, before I used to use a brush and just stretch it out, but now I've noticed that when I stretch it out with a comb first and then go in with the brush, it blows out so much better. If I wanted to straighten it, it would literally be an ease, but you know. So now that I'm done blow drying, normally I just pick out my afro, see my little length check, you know, make sure everywhere is blow dried and good to go, and just easy to comb through with a wide tooth comb. These are the colors I use: 613, hot pink, and color 27. And I just mix these up as much as I can. I add, and this is something you really just have to get a feel for. It's not anything that somebody could really teach you. Like, honestly, I literally saw a video about this one day and I literally tried it. Once separating it and combing through it and brushing through it will definitely loosen up I don't want to say loosen up, but separate the hair more so you can actually achieve the color that you want. I dyed my hair like a rose gold color, and yeah, it came out like baby pink, but it's hints of like color 27 in there. But let's get into the rest of this video.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we made it to the bathroom, and this was an epic fail. I was trying to put two braids on the side of my head, and epic fail.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so we made so much more progress when I just decided to, you know, put regular Bantu knots on my head. Not trying to do any design. I was able to, I did the first two Bantu knots off camera. I just had to show y'all how I slick my hair down with edge control, because my 4C people, y'all know how hard it is for us to slick our hair down with anything. I don't care how you blow dry it and all of that. So I section off the next section. These are another two Bantu knots. And I'm actually going to go into detail on how I do these because, you know, I wasn't as frustrated. So I grab a little bit of hair, and your hair, the amount of braiding hair has to match your section. So you're going to split your section into two and put your braiding hair in between after you gelled the outside down and all that. I used rubber bands, and it was a big mistake. If you are going to do this hairstyle, use regular hair ties, like the good hair ties, the ones that don't hurt your head, because these rubber bands was killing my scalp. But anything for the look, right? Right? But at this point, I literally needed to see my head. So all I'm doing is making sure that, you know, I'm covering my hair with the braiding hair, and I'm just twisting and wrapping and twisting and wrapping, y'all. Like, all right, so now that we're at the side of my head that y'all can actually see, y'all would actually see how I do this one. Like I said, if you are going to do this hairstyle, do not use rubber bands like I did, because trust me, it looks clean and nice while I'm doing it. Like, it looks really cute. I understand. But when I tell y'all my head was suffering because I was wrapping them really tight, and I wanted to, you know, make sure my Bantu knots did not unravel. But my scalp was suffering so bad, like so bad. So you're going to make sure your braided hair covers, you know, the excess hair that's around. You can, I feel like, you know, you can either twist it or you could just wrap it the way I'm about to wrap it. Maybe I'll give y'all a video of me twisting it and braiding it out and then doing the Bantu knot. Comment down below if that's what y'all want. But as y'all can see me twisting it, you see how tight that section of my hair is getting? And as I'm twisting it, it gets tighter. So I really do recommend that you use hair ties instead of rubber bands, because it was cute and I thugged it out because, you know, anything for the look, right? But baby, don't even put your scalp, do not even put your scalp through the trouble. I'm telling you, please do not. But you are going to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you are at the bottom of this extension here, and you got to make sure it's tight. I'm pulling it as I'm wrapping it tight because, like I said, I know y'all see me pulling my scalp. My scalp is suffering while I'm doing this hairstyle, but, you know, wait till the end because it comes out really cute, y'all. It comes out really cute. Like, you know, starting to feel myself a little bit. They starting to get somewhere.
15 minutes later.
So we have finally reached the finish line, y'all. I only have 2 more Bantu knots left. My scalp is, you know, it's a little tender, but, you know, when you do your hair at first, you expect it to be a little tight because that's how you know they, you know, let me not say they because I'm doing my own hair, but that's how you know you did it. You did what you were supposed to do because, yeah. So we're going to keep twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting until we wrap that Bantu knot around. And I'm not going to lie, y'all, this style is... it's not something you're going to get on your first try. You literally got to dust yourself off and keep trying and trying again. Because if y'all want me to drop the bloopers on me doing this hairstyle, comment down below because this was really something. I'm just very grateful that, you know, it turned out as good as it did. Just wrapping, putting my scalp through all that tension from the bleach to the toner to the hair dye to me just pulling on my hair. Man, I'm just glad. And at the end of this Bantu knot, I had to go put some more braiding hair together because I thought I made enough and I didn't. And I didn't realize until the end, but you know, it's getting cute. It's looking cute. I'm starting to feel myself. Look at your girl. All right, y'all. So this is the final. Oh, why? My lashes begin to stick. This is the final product. I already did my makeup. But y'all, this is what I am looking like for the weekend. You know. I'm actually about to go meet up with my cousins. I'm not really sure if, can my camera focus? I'm not really sure if I'm going to record or not, but stay tuned and see. If not, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vloggy vlog.